Hello, this is Susie. Today I will give you a lesson about how to use Google Doc. First, let me show you how to create a new Google Doc file. To open a new file, you log onto your Gmail, open your Google Drive here, click Drive, and you can see a new button here. You click New and select Google Doc, and then you can see a new Google Doc file is created. Now let me talk about some menus and features in Google Doc. Let's start with the file. So there are many functions in the file menu. Here's the one called share. So by click share and do something in the share function, you can share the document to somebody else. So after I click share and it let me to give a name to this document, I can give any name. And then I can type any email address that I can share this document with. So after you type the email address, you can hit down. Okay. So in the file menu, under the file menu, there's also one called rename. So you click rename, you can give a new name to your file. For example, I can call it Susie's file. And then another menu here is view. So in this menu, it shows the functions of the Google Doc. So right now, for example, there's a ruler showed in the file, but you don't want to show a ruler, you want to hide it. You can just click it to make the ruler disappeared. But later on, if you want it to show up again, you can click show ruler again. Similarly, you can let the equation toolbar to show up or hide. So in the file, you can use the insert menu to insert any image or link or equation or so on. And also you can insert any table. You can make the table to be like any row, any column, as big as you can. Also, you can use the table menu to insert row, or delete row, delete column, or insert column. So here's another menu called tool. If you type something, you can use the tool to check the spelling. Also, you can highlight some word to do the research. For example, my name is Susie. And then if I want to do some research about the word Susie, I can highlight the word and then go to the tool menu and hit the research, and you can see some result shows in the right column here. If you want the Google Doc to give you some suggestions about the spelling, you can hit the spelling, and it says no spelling suggestions. If you type something wrong, it might give you spelling suggestions, and it may use red line to underline the word that you might spell wrong. Okay, let me introduce the toolbar. So this is the print. You can print the file, the undo, redo, and the paint format. By hit the paint format, you make every word, everything here to be the same format, same font, same color, same font size, and so on. This is zoom in and zoom out. This is styles. So title, you can make the word to be title, subtitle, headings, like any levels of headings. This is the kind of font and font size. Also, you can make it bold, italic, underline, and you can change the text color. And you can insert in the link here, comment, and these are the alignment here, and line spacing, numbers. So you can, by click the number, you can let anything listed in numbers without like typing the number yourself. So if you hit this, it will list numbers itself automatically. And this is the bullet list. If you don't want to show number, if you want just show some bullet, you can change this to this one by hit this. Yeah, these are indent selections. So if I want to change font, that's easy. You just highlight the word or the sentence that you want to change, go to the font, and you can change anything. Also, you can change the font size. You can change the font color as well. You highlight this, and this is the font color, the text color. You can, for example, if I want to use red, I can just click red. Also, so right now it seems like 1.15 spacing. If I don't want this, if I want it to be double spacing, I can click double. So yeah, the sentences are further away than before. So now let me introduce the function of comment. So here is the mode of the document. The mode are editing, suggesting, and viewing. Sorry, not this. So if you want to comment on this, you can highlight everything that you want to comment. There is a insert comment button. You hit it, and you want to, if you want to give us suggestions, you can type any suggestions here. Hello. The font is too big. And you hit comment. Yeah, and it will show your comment here. And then for editing the background, it's not hard either. You can go to File and hit Page Setup. And there's page color. You can select any color that you want the background color to be. For example, I want the blue. I just hit OK, so everything switched to blue instead of white. So a good thing about Google Doc is it saves change automatically every few seconds. So you don't need to hit additional save button to save it. Okay, for example, you have already done with the document and you want to share with somebody else. You can share it here. You click the share button and type the email address here. For example, I want to share with myself. And then you can add a note here if you want, and you can just click send. And then this file is sent to my another account. So yeah, you can type any others. You can type anybody's email to share with the people. Okay. Here is the thing that I want to talk about Google Doc. Thanks for listening. See you next time.